Ford today announced the limited edition high-performance Mustang Mach 1 will be available to customers in Europe for the first time ever, making its European debut at Goodwood Speed Week taking place in the UK. The Mustang Mach 1 is the best handling production Mustang ever offered to customers in Europe. Performance is boosted to a level worthy of the iconic Mach 1 moniker with enhanced aerodynamics, a specially calibrated 460 PS 5.0-liter V8 engine, and uprated cooling for improved track capability. The Mach 1 is also the first production Mustang in Europe available with a high-performance Tremec 6-speed manual transmission, featuring rev-matching technology for seamless downshifts and an upgraded oil cooler system for high-demand performance driving. Customers can also choose Ford's 10-speed automatic transmission, featuring an upgraded oil cooler and recalibrated software for optimized performance in road and track driving conditions. A unique suspension setup further enhances road performance and track readiness. Specially calibrated MagneRide dampers and bespoke springs, anti-roll bars, and Bush specifications deliver improved control and response under high cornering loads. Retuned electric power-assisted steering software enables the Mach 1 to offer the most precise steering of any Mustang in Europe. The result is the fastest production Mustang around the track ever offered to customers in Europe. In addition to its performance credentials, the Mach 1 brings exterior design that recalls the iconic Mach 1 Mustangs of the 1960s and 1970s. With bold bonnet and side strips, performance-derived body styling, and unique 19-inch alloy wheels. The limited edition model is available in a unique set of 8 body colors, stripe and contrast line combinations echoing the distinctive design of the original car. Each Mustang Mach 1 is individually numbered with a distinctive plaque according to its build order.